What if I told you the next big Android app could be yours? 5 billion users are waiting. The best part? You don't need a computer science degree or experience. All you need is the right training, and that's exactly what this course gives you. Hello developers, I am Abbass Masri, a professional Android app developer. Over the past 14 years, I've built apps with over 1 million downloads, published 9 courses, 2 of them are bestsellers on Udemy. More than 100,000 students launched their dev careers, and I've packed everything I know into this one course. But here's the thing. When I started, I had no idea what I was doing. I wasted days and months on outdated tutorials, confusing documentations, and deprecated codes. That's why I created this course, to give you the exact roadmap I wish I had. No fluff, no jargon, just step-by-step, real-world training that gets you from beginner to professional. This is not just another watch me code tutorial. This is a complete career accelerator. Here's what you'll master inside. We'll start with the foundations, variables, functions, OOP, everything you need to write professional grade Android apps in both Java and Kotlin. Then we'll dive into Android Studio, the #1 tool for Android app development. You'll be familiar with the user interface and code editors. Theory is great, but you learn by doing. That's why we're going to build real apps together, from simple greeting apps to full-stack social networks. A great app is not just functional, it's beautiful. You'll learn design principles that make your apps feel premium and keep users coming back. Finally, we're going to integrate Firebase, APIs, and database, and ready to publish your app to the Google Play Store, so you can start getting downloads as soon as possible. Because of our incredible success, I've created part 2 of this course, Mastering Jetpack Compose. Part 2 teaches you modern Android development with Jetpack Compose, Google's future of UI, advanced MVVM architecture, and building complex applications like social networks using Firebase, dependency injection, APIs, Google Maps, integration, and much more is coming. It's the perfect sequel to everything you learned in part 1. As a thank you to my students, get 80% off part 1 and part 2. Right now, you have 2 choices. Keep struggling with the free tutorials that leave you confused and unprepared, or follow a proven path to build real apps, land clients, or even quit your 9-to-5 job. This is the last Android course you'll ever need. Here's why. You'll learn by building, no boring slides, just hands-on projects, get lifetime access, all future updates included, and 30-day refund guarantee, 0 risk. Remember, staring at code, feeling completely lost. I've been there too. That's why this course starts at absolute 0, no experience needed. Moreover, Android keep updating, and deprecated codes are ugly and time-wasting. The good news, we keep updating our courses regularly. Be smart, don't waste time, enroll now, and start your coding career.